24 hours and you are supposed to say whatever or we sack you. This is not a military government. Yeah. This is an holy place where people have to work in love, in harmony with others. And we don't want tribalism. Tribalism is what has killed this, what is killing this conference. These are the pastors who are here. Yes. They are intimidated, frustrated, and that is not the right thing. We are now demanding and requesting that the division president, Pastor Uguri, and the president of the union to come and address this matter so that you pastors work freely, not in fear. You cannot preach when you are intimidated.
Yeah, you cannot.
How? That is not the way.
Sure,
and if that is not done, action will be taken by the members themselves. Exactly. This is the conference of the members, not the conference leaders.
A few people in this.
A few people cannot intimidate pastors and pastors because when you talk you can be sacked. No, this is not a place where you intimidate everybody. And now we are demanding like this. The office, the division office, we are requesting Pastor Uguri and Pastor Makoli of the union to come and address the issues here within a period of 3 days.
Yes.
And if it is not done, if it reaches Saturday, action will be taken from the ground.
Exactly.
Yeah. From the members. These are the elders. And we are at the ground. Arao vitu inakuja kwa mtandao inasema iko watu walifanya hivi. Hawa watu ambaye wako katika mitandao wawe aside, wawe investigated whether it was done. Comment.
Na wasalimu wa mjambo. In the previous days we have come here, representative of various churches. We gave our memorandum and a petition a few days back. We had a meeting here with the executive where we tabled our grievances and asked for action to be taken within the reasonable time. It has taken a very long time. We are hearing and seeing so many issues happening within our conference.
Yeah.
Those issues, every another time we try to address them, we are not given humble time and even an opportunity to table our grievances as representatives of our churches.
Yeah.
Our members, time and again, have questioned the leadership of the conference in reference to the past happenings.